Hello, so what we want to do today is create some links from a text plugin. So I've got a page here, I've got some content that I'm going to put some different links into. So prerequisite of course is we're logged in, go into edit mode, select the plugin you want to edit. So the first thing we're going to do is a link to a page on this website. So to do any links we have to highlight the part of the text, all of it or a part, that we want to make the link to. I'm going to link the whole of this text. We then go on the top bar of the rich text editor to link, click on the link button, select the link type. This is a link to this website, and we're just going to type in the page name of /contact. If it's a link to this website, it's best to use relative links. A relative link is the whole of the link starting at / without your domain name. So www.yourdomainname.com. Ignore that bit, then go from / your website. If you wanted to go to the home page, you could just put /, but we're just going to put contact. Once you've done that, you've got an option to open the link on a new tab. I suggest that if you're linking to a page on your website, you don't link in a new tab. A new tab will be a new browser tab in your favorite browser. So we click update. That's now done. So if we want to link to another website, this time I'm just going to select the text of another website, click the link icon, select link to another website. The first thing it's going to ask you for is a prefix. Now this is HTTP or HTTPS. It's probably best to have a look on the website to make sure it is a secure site with a padlock or a non-secure site. I know this website I'm going to link to the BBC is secure, so HTTPS www.bbc.co.uk. Now as this is another website, the best course of action here is probably to open open the link in a new tab. I do think that Google kind of doesn't like that at the moment. I think it likes it doesn't like multiple tabs opening, but if it's an external website, I still think best practice for most websites, open the link in a new tab and click update. Next one is link to a file. So the idea here is that we're going to link to a document that somebody can download. So I'm highlighting name of the document here. Always a good idea to put here our insurance policy, whatever it is, employment policy, whatever. Click the link again, click the selector to link to a file. This will open up the file manager or give you the second line option for the file manager. Go to the file manager. I haven't got any documents here, so I'm going to have to go and upload a file, which is particularly organized of me, but anyway, let's just upload this file here. There's my file. Now don't select it, that comes up with the editor. Actually click the file, that'll take you back, give you the URL of the article or the PDF or the document, the Excel document, mostly PDFs, probably best online, that you want to link to. If it is a PDF, I'd open that in a new file. If it's a document or a Word document or an Excel file, you don't need to open in a new tab because the browser will just download it. Click update. Next, email. So here's an email address. So this is a link to an email. Again, good practice is to have the email address on the page to actually display it to the user. Click the link icon, change to link to an email. Add the email address you want to link to. Another good thing is to actually link to the email address that you've got there. So just type that in. You can give the email a subject, so when the user clicks the email, it actually comes through with inquiry from website for this example. We'll have a look at these links in a minute, and you don't need to click open in a new tab. Click update. Lastly, link to a telephone number. So I'm just going to put our telephone number here. Those of you know me know I can't type. Right, highlight the telephone number, go to links, select telephone. Okay, now the telephone number, to get this to work in a browser, needs to be a country code +44. Ignore the 0, so 1323735 So the telephone number without spaces, that's our telephone number, and put +44 for a country code. Don't have to open a new tab and click update. If you're in the UK and people are only going to call you from the UK, then it's absolutely fine to have 0. Best practice +44. Update and save. So let's have a quick look at these. So link into a new page on this website, click that, doesn't open a new tab, my page doesn't exist. Fantastic. But it did go to the page. Go back to our original page, link to another website. If I click that, it's opening up the BBC in a new tab for me. I'll go back to the web page we've created. Link to a file, so we've got the name of the document here. Click it. That's taken us to our document. Fantastic. Link to an email. If I click that, it's going to bring up my email here, and you can see that the subject is inquiry from website, so I could type my email and click send. And lastly, link to a telephone number. It won't work on a PC. It'll just come up and ask me what I want to use it for. Basically, that's for mobile device. Hope that helps. Any questions, let us know.